Hey, have you been looking for a Clickfunnels or System.io funnel builder tool alternative? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gionta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact tools that I use to build out my traffic store, profitbuilderstraffic.com, as well as the page that you're looking at right now. That's actually a page on how I went from zero to making my first $100,000 online in online marketing. And if you want to know more about that, then just click on the link below this video and it's going to take you to this page, and you could opt in. You could put in your name and email, and you'll be on my email list, so you'll receive all my emails as well, and you'll be able to learn how to actually build and grow your business online. So this is the funnel builder tool that I use, and it's very easy to use. It's very simple, and we have amazing pages. Everything in this builder, it's all drag and drop, so it's easy for anybody to edit anything and customize it for whatever kind of opportunity that you have. And everything, you just come in a block and just easily edit it and everything like that. And this comes with the CRM, so you don't need to go out and buy a CRM with it. It comes with it. So basically, you come in here and it shows your contacts. So basically, it shows all your contacts, and it also shows the source. You see here, right here, it says Facebook, YouTube, and other places. So pretty much you can pretty much find out where every lead is coming from on a lead level with this builder. And the cool thing about it is it's so easy to use, and we have amazing pages in here, and it's so simple to go and add a page to any funnel. Is all you do is go in here and you add a page in this step. And right here we have a section. It's called the template club, and you could come down here and you could pick an amazing page. They're already pre-designed for you, and they're designed by my web guy, who actually he designs everything for me, and he does a lot of custom work. So unlike other builders, we have professionally designed pages that are custom made, and it's not some templates that some system put in there, and you don't have to pay extra for them, which is different compared to other builders, right? If you want all the pages and everything like that, normally you have to pay an extra fee for this. So this is the builder that I use to build everything out. And the cool thing about this builder is I could go and manage people's funnels. So here's people that I manage their funnels and I help them with their marketing. And there's some people on my team as well as my own funnel. So, pretty much if you want to have your own product or something like that that has a website name, and it's different from your builder where you build your pages, and you wanted a new funnel area, it doesn't cost anything extra for that either, right? So we can add a funnel area for you if you're creating a product that's unique, that has a domain name or something like that. Otherwise, you could build everything in the same tool and just do a /, right? And so this is really cool in the fact that you can do it. It also has a URL redirect. So basically, you come down here and you could add a redirect that basically you put your affiliate link right there, and then if you have a long ugly affiliate link, it comes off your domain name. So it would be profitbuildersalliance.com/funnels, profitbuildersalliance.com/ whatever you want it to be, right? And it's one word, and it goes to that page, right? And it makes it really easy for you to know how to get to your affiliate link, and it makes it branded to you. I don't have any in this particular funnel, but I have other funnels where I do have it set up at. So if I go here and I go to a different funnel, I mean, I have it right here in this funnel. So I go down here, and then I could go and then I could go to the redirect section, and I have my link. So anybody that comes is all I got to do is put partner with Gio Gionta / trial, you know, or whatever I want it to be. It makes it very easy to use it and navigate. And we have training back here, and this is only $25 per month for this builder, and this is what I built my entire e-commerce traffic store off of. It's $25 per month, and you get a $20 per month in residual income for anybody who uses it. So you build a residual income while you're using your tools. You get 80% commissions, and we show you how to build your business in 3 simple steps, and we show you different things how to use the builder. So we show you how to buy your domain and set it up with your business email, and we show you how to put it into your autoresponder so it's integrated with the builder. And then we show you how to set up DMARC, SPF, and DKIM records, because it's very important if you want to get high sending ability so your emails don't land in spam. That's very important. And then we show you how to do different things with the builder for $25 per month. You're going to learn how to create your own pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to create your own hero page, which is a branded page, like you were looking at, right? How to do the redirects, the trainings right here. How to do custom codes. So if you want to put custom code in the builder, how to do that. How to share funnels. How to track every lead within a builder, like I was showing you. You could track the source and where the leads are coming from. How to do an exapop. So people that are leaving your page, you could put an exapop on there to retain the traffic. How to do different things, like sell your own products. How to do upsells and downsells. How to do a membership site. How to do all kinds of different things for only $25 per month, and you get a $20 per month in residual income. And then once people have their funnel set up, the next thing they want to know is how do they get traffic? How do they actually get traffic to the funnel, right? So whatever it is you're promoting, after you have your builder set up, the next thing you want to know is how to get traffic. So we have free strategies, right here, how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, how to follow up with your leads, how to do short form video, how to do YouTube ranking, how to do an easy button YouTube strategy that's going to get you tons of traffic, how to do podcasting, how to do Facebook, how to do LinkedIn, how to do live masteries, blogging, how to do a blog network, and how to do a launch campaign. So if you're launching your own product, we show you how to do that. And there's all kinds of different things. And then we have the paid methods. The paid methods are how to do low cost local lead generation. So if you have a local business and you want to use the builder for that, how to do solo ads, how to do text message marketing, how to do Facebook ads, how to do Facebook video ads. So this has all the training that you need to actually have results in your business, no matter what it is. How to do conversions with people, how to actually close your people online, how to get your new team members off to the right foot. So, let's say they sign up, or let's say you're in a network marketing company. This is going to show you how to actually onboard people the right way and plug them in. How to write emails that serve and sell, because, email writing is very important. How to do email promotions. So, if you're doing a launch or doing something like that, this shows you how to do that the right way. So this is all good. We keep adding a bunch of training to here, and we never raise the price. It's $125 per month, and you earn a $100 per month in residual income. When you first sign up, you get 2 weeks free of the coaching. So you get daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom, and the coaching calls are Monday through Friday. We go over the shoulder. We show you what we're doing in marketing. We normally write emails. We normally rank videos on YouTube. We show you how to do videos the right way. And then we do other things as well as connect with people on social media and have conversations. So we show you over the shoulder every single day how to do marketing. $125 per month. You earn a $100 per month in residual income. So both of them with the funnel builder tool and the coaching, it's only $150 per month, and you earn a $120 per month in residual income. So imagine having both of them, getting 2 sales, you're going to be $90 in profit. If you're trying to get to, let's say, $3,000 per month, it's only 25 signups. So only 25 signups, and you're at $3,000 per month with both products. And then we have one other thing right here, which is nothing to do with marketing, and it's all about finances. It's called Financial Literacy Academy. So it teaches you how to eliminate your debt. It teaches you how to actually manage your taxes, and how to keep your records the right way, and how to plan for retirement. So there's different strategies in there. So there's tax loopholes that you would want to take to an accountant that will help you save money in your business. And then we show you how to invest. So after you're saving money, after you're out of debt, how do you invest your money when you're making money? So this teaches you how to spot scams and avoid them, how to invest, how to do car flipping, how to do mobile home investments, how to do different things like stress-free property management, how to do house flipping, how to do asset protection and things like that. So that's what this last product teaches you. This last product goes for $1,000 one time, and you would earn an $800 commission one time. But when you first sign up, you have the opportunity to get it for only $500. So you get it for 50% off, and you make a $400 commission when they get it at $500. So you're making $120 per month per sign up, plus $400 one time. So your earning potential could be very high, and the main benefit of this is that we have daily hands-on coaching. So you'll never be left alone. You could come on a coaching call and learn and ask your questions. A lot of places, you might be using the builder, but they don't give you any support, and you're left to, figure this all out on your own. We have calls every day but Sunday. Sunday is the only day we don't have coaching calls. Then people come out on Monday night, and they share their strategies. So not only are you learning from top 6 and 7 figure earners, you're also learning from people who are just getting started, and people who have been marketing for a while as well, and they share their strategies. So you get to hear from other people as well as the leaders in our opportunity. So basically, this is a platform that you can use to build any kind of opportunity and really get results. So you're going to get more commissions with this than anything else online. You're getting 80% for everything, and you're getting live hands-on support, hands-on coaching. In my opinion, this is the best opportunity out that I've ever seen in my 9 years of marketing. And if you want to get started, make sure you click on the link below this video to get started. And if you're looking for high quality traffic, there's also a link to my traffic store below. You could go and you could get an order of traffic for your opportunity, and I will help you to set up your funnels and be able to get very high conversions. If you want to learn more about what to do with your business, make sure you get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link in the description for that as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and so you don't miss any time that I upload a video. And if you have questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below this video, and I will answer them as soon as I can. And I will get back to everybody who leaves a comment. All right. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.